What's up everyone? Today we are going to be unboxing and installing the Galaxy Z Fold5 screen protector from Samsung. Here's the screen protector. We're just going to open it up. I did cheat a little bit because I wasn't going to show this, but I saw that it was a little more complicated than I was anticipating and decided, hey, I should probably take the time to record this and then show you all how it goes when I put it on. So hopefully this ends up being helpful. We'll see if I can do this on the first try and not completely jack this up. So here are the contents. We've got the dust removal stickers, nothing else in there. Oh my god, there you go, nothing else in there. We have screen protectors. So it looks like we got 2 in the pack. Super easy looking, but let me read the instructions just to make sure I don't completely botch this, because there's all this to go with the screen protector. That blows my mind. Step 1, take this. There's adhesive on here and on here. You're supposed to remove that, and then you're supposed to stick that on like that. Looks like we have some guide stickers right here, like that. Step C would be removing I think this adhesive is already off on mine, so we're just gonna stick that on there. Now, we are going to do a wipe of the screen because if you've watched my videos, you know I've got some oily skin. It tells me to remove this, so consider this removed. Okay, then it tells me line this up, make sure that this is lined up, and press this across like so. Honestly, for your guys' sake, I'm glad I'm making a video. Not to toot my own horn, but this seems more involved than I would expect. Also, this is not even cool. Let's try that again. Attempt 2. Says to go like this. Looks a lot better than the first time. There are air bubbles though, so we shall see how that goes. Step E. Is peeling that off. Oh god, if this has awful air bubbles, it's gonna be the death of me. That might have been my fault. Okay. This is how you're actually supposed to do it. Peel this. Remove. This back plastic. I'm gonna pull it back further. There's hair under that, which was great. And then it wants you to go like this, we were good until dust was under the screen. Ideally, you use this to get all the air bubbles out. And then after we do that, you peel off this guy, and if you were not me, and maybe because you're watching this video and got to watch me make a mistake on the first screen protector, you'll avoid some of the screen bubbles that I got. Most of those screen bubbles I should be able to smooth out. The one that's going to be problematic is this one, because there's a little piece of wool from my desk on here. So something to keep in mind, the instructions on this kind of suck. I mean, they don't suck, but this is what you're going off of. I'm probably going to make the determination real quick of whether or not I can actually deal with that screen bubble, which the likelihood of me being able to do that is pretty slim to none. To give you an idea, boom, that's what it looks like. We are probably going to use the second one real quick and make it look a lot better. All right, I did want to show you that I did a much better job. The second time, I will say there's still a little bubble on this side of the screen. It's pretty easy to do once you've seen how to do it realistically. The one recommendation that I would make is when you're curving the top screen protector back, use the dust sticker that's included and tap the screen underneath it to help get extra dust, because literally just from setting the screen protector down on my desk mat, there was dust on the screen protectors, and that got on my screen, which is why I had dust last time. And I mean, it's still why I have a little bit of dust this time, but I only have that one spot instead of like 3 or 4. So something to keep in mind, but overall, for me, I mean, this is fine to get started. Normally, for a flat screen, I would go with a tempered glass screen protector. This was just convenient because I was already ordering from Samsung. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. But I hope you have a great rest of your day.